Welcome back to my channel. I have to wash my hair. It's been days and it's very thick. I just want to take care of my scalp. So, and what works for my scalp is and the dandruff, because sometimes I have a lot of dandruff, dry scalp, and that's lack of moisturizing the scalp. But it has to get washed. I hate the process. But I use black Jamaican castor oil. This one. That's the shampoo. This is the conditioner. And then I oil my scalp with tea tree oil. But I ran out, so today I will be using some coconut oil. Oh, stores. So I gotta go through this every time before I start to wash my hair. Ooh. It's a lot. Too much hair. Sometimes I just want to cut it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wash it, really scrub it good. Royalty is with her dad while I do this. Because obviously I can't do my hair and watch a baby at the same time. It's not going to happen. I have like a whole routine going and how I take care of my hair, how I take care of my house. Everything was routine and structured. And after I had a baby, I kind of like got off track. Like, I don't know. My hair's just dry, and I don't want to put too much pressure on myself because, I mean, I do the best that I can, but I need to get back into a routine of self-care again because it's very important. It's very, very, very important.